Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCraftedCards.com. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I use the envelope punch board to make this envelope. Very easy to use. So I'll be showing you all the features of the board and how to make an envelope, how you size it and everything that you need to know. So let's get started. So this is the envelope punch board. Yeah. I completely lost what I was going to say then. So yeah, with the envelope punch board, this is what it looks like. You can see right on the board you've got the directions on how to use it and also a measurement guide. Now with this board you can make over 60 different sizes of envelopes, and like I said, the measurement guide is on there, and it also has a score tool that is stored in the side, so you've always got that with you ready to go. You only need to do a little bit of measuring and cutting before you actually get to use the board. So what we're going to do is make an envelope for this card. So I'm just going to measure the card. I'm just using my grid paper. So my card is about 6 inches by 4 1/4 inches. So I'm going to come down to, let's zoom you in. Get that to focus. It's still very small, but you'll get the point. So 6 by 4 1/4. So I'm going to have a look for my measurements. They don't have 1/4 inches, so I'm going to go up to 6 by 4 1/2. So you can come down to 4 1/2 by 6, which is here. So it tells me that my paper needs to be 8 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches, and the score line is 3 3/4. So I'm going to grab my trimmer and let's zoom you back out because it's going to be very close. There we go. So 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 inches. I've got my paper. Now this designer series paper is from the Eastern, what's it called? Eastern Beauty, Eastern Elegance, Eastern Palace, kind of close. Designer series paper. So that was 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So move this out the way, bring my punch board back in. So with this one you do have to, well, with any of the paper really, decide what you want to be on the inside and what you want to be on the outside. So I actually want this to be on the inside, so I'm going to put it face down, so it's going to look like a plain envelope, but when you open it you can see all the niciness. So where are we? It was 5 1/2 by 6, no, 4 1/2 by 6. Oh, have I measured it wrong? It's 8 1/2. Where did I even read 8 1/4? There's literally nothing on there that says 8 1/4. Oh my goodness, it's 8 1/2. I just need new glasses apparently. So bear with, I'll just go and cut that and be right back. Okay, so I've got my piece of paper that is measured correctly. Oh, I've just moved the grid paper. And back to the board again. Where are we? 8 1/2 by 8 1/2, and my score line, it tells me here, is 3 3/4. So all I'm going to do is line up my paper with the 3 3/4 mark there. You've got the measurements on the top, and using the score tool, just score a line. There's a little notch in here that you just put your score up against, I can't speak, and then gently score the line and then punch. Then you turn your piece of paper and the score line that you made now lines up with the score guide that's there. You can see it sticking out just there, and it tells you on the board that's the score guide. So you line your score line up, punch and score. It doesn't matter if you score and punch or punch and score, either way, as long as you do both, that's all you need to worry about. Rotate, punch, score, rotate, line up the score line to score guide, punch and score. And then on the other end of this little punchy side, when you put your piece of paper in, you can round your edges, your corners even, and that will just give it a bit more of a professional look. So get your bits out the way and then just fold on those score lines. Use your tool that comes with it to burnish those lines. And then, so that is your envelope made. I usually just go over my lines, pop your tool back into the scoreboard, and that's done. So then just to finish off your envelope, all you're going to need to do is add adhesive. So because this card is this way, I'm actually going to stick it down this way so that the flap at the top is open. So let's see which way looks neatest. Yeah, we'll do it that way. So a little bit of adhesive onto here. So that's going to go that way, and then just a little bit on the end of that flap, just to keep it down, like so. Then our envelope is done. Our card fits perfectly. It is a little bit big because I went up a size, but yeah, fits perfectly. And then you can just pop it in the post. So I hope that you found that video useful. I do have some more videos coming up with the envelope punch board. You can use it for more than just making envelopes. So thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. There are a couple of other tutorials over there for you to watch, and I will see you next time. Bye.